Welcome guys with a new video in CNC machining M course. M course means miscellaneous course. First one is M00, that is program stop. M01 is optional stop. M02 is end of program. M03 is spindle on clockwise direction. M04 spindle on with counterclockwise direction. M05 spindle stop. M06 tool change. M07 mist coolant on. M08 fluid coolant on. M09 coolant off. M13 spindle on clockwise with coolant. M14 spindle on counterclockwise with coolant. M15 spindle stop with coolant. M19 spindle orientation on. M20 spindle orientation off. M21 table rotate clockwise or tool magazine right. M22 table rotate counterclockwise or tool magazine left. M23 C-axis enable or tool magazine off. M24 C-axis disable or tool magazine down. M25 tailstock engaged or tool clamp. M26 tailstock retracted or tool unclamp. M27 clutch neutral on. M28 clutch neutral off. M30 end of program stop and rewind. M98 call subprogram. M99 end of subprogram. And here is one question: what is the difference between G codes and M codes? G codes is geometrical code or preparatory code. That means if a profile we are cutting, means there is the geometry of profile, which kind of profile is there. For that we can put programming to cut the profile. But M code means machine operation, like coolant off, coolant on, machine off, optional stop, end of program. Only for machine miscellaneous codes are using. I think all doubts would be clear, and thank you for watching this video. And for more videos, please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.